Hi. Welcome to our page. Our aim is to welcome you in Nice and help you to make the best of your stay with our knowledge about Nice and surrounding areas. Stay with us and visit 3 nations at the cheapest price with our tips: French Riviera, Monaco, Italian Riviera. Our hostel is excellent both for having fun and sightseeing. The hostel staff will take care of you with city information and tips for going out, local restaurants, events. We like traveling and of course we like travelers. We like to keep our guests together at night, going to pubs, beach parties or dining nights. Day, info about museums and culture, about best beaches for sunbathing in surrounding cities. We probably are the best located hostel in Nice. Masséna Square, city main square, 100 meters away from the old town and all the pubs and club. World famous Wayne's Bar is 5 minutes away, 2 minutes by walk to the Promenade d'Anglais and its beaches. 6 Niceville train station, 30 minutes by bus from the International Airport of Nice. Bus to Monaco stops just 15-20 minutes away from the hostel, Port of Nice. It only takes 30 minutes to get to Monaco. In the same station you can also get 1 bus to Cannes, Antibes, East Village, Grasse, St. Paul d'Ivens, Menton. Bus schedule and extra information at the reception. Trains to Italy €7, 45 minutes, leaves also frequently. Visit the Flower Riviera of Italy. Ventimiglia Sanremo, Bordigra would like to warmly welcome you with a lot of advice in our brand new common room and our spacious rooms, all including private bathroom with shower blockers. We like our guests and we like to be clear with them. No hidden charges. Free linen, free city map / info materials, free use and Wi-Fi, fast Wi-Fi in every room, free luggage storage, free hairdryers, never-ending hot showers, book exchange towels €2 / beach towels €2, age limit 40 years. Do you like cooking? We have a large and fully equipped kitchen. We also have computers with free internet as well as Wi-Fi available in all rooms. We offer you free coffee and tea all day long. There is a delicious and cheap French bakery for your breakfast just around the corner. Supermarket is 1 minute away from the hostel. There is no curfew, you get the key to the room and you can go in and out at any time you wish. Check-in must be between 14:30 to 20 o'clock. For a different time, please call or email us for an appointment. Checkout is at 11. Come have a drink with us and to enjoy the beautiful city of Nice.